Today, we're gonna be playing VR Animal Company, but I'm gonna be playing with my friend Sebastian. He's right here. Hi, sir. You're on video.
What's up?
Yeah, I'm just gonna take his grappler.
Yahoo!
I'm just joking. I'll never take that from a friend. I gave it to him. It's right here.
Yo, my revolvers are. Yo, everything's gone.
It's in your. Oh wait, no, it's not. Huh. Your
Oh,
grappler.
look, crowbar.
Okay, so let's see what we're gonna need today. We're gonna need a flashlight. This.
Can you buy me another revolver?
Sure. I already has ammo.
Okay.
Sorry. What's another? Oh, there. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Can you put some ammo in my backpack?
Just one because ammo. It's very expensive. Oh, give me your backpack so I can put the grappler in there too. Give me your backpack. Give me it so I can put the grappler in there too.
I want to make sure the ammo comes out. Okay, okay.
Let me put it in. Let me put everything in since you're new. Let go. Give me your gun so I can put it. Or do you want to hold the gun? I do it because it's gonna go into. Where'd the gun go?
I mean my backpack.
Is it in there? No, where'd the gun go?
Holy revolver? No, 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 no.
Where'd the gun go?
Give me.
Oh, it went in here. It went in here. It went in my backpack. There you go.
Bro.
There. Give it to you. Yo, I'm actually gonna be poor again.
Okay, yeah, everything.
Flare gun.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Hold up. Bro, this'll tell me where the monsters are, okay, bro?
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
Try not to get hit.
Oh wait, I forgot to bring something. Cause baby, you're fine. Don't go in, bro. I forgot to bring something. Bro, did you go in? Bro, I said not to go in. Sebastian?
Yeah.
What'd I say about going in, bro?
Dang, gang, chill.
Bro, that's not the way. Okay, bro. Yeah, use that. Come on. Hold up, let me get my tablet. Hold up, bro.
Alright.
Bro, I said hold on. Okay, bro. Showing me there's a mob close by. You wanna go that way? You wanna go through the elevator today?
Yeah, we have to get a key card.
Okay. So, let's get it. Okay, bro, are you having fun so far?
Come on.
I'm gonna get stuck. Oh, you didn't get stuck. Oh, don't go in yet. Don't go in yet, bro. I was just checking. Let's go. Oh, that scared me. Don't move, bro. Yo, that scared you, right?
Yes, bro.
Bro, respawn. I can get our stuff back.
Wait,
okay, bro.
is my bag still on me?
Hold on, bro.
No.
Bro, we'll get it back.
I lost everything.
We'll get it back. We'll get it back. No, we're gonna get it back. Because grab this. Grab this. Grab that.
What is this?
It's a rocket. I'll tell you when to use it. Just don't you. Okay, bro. If you don't want your stuff back, that's fine. Sebi.
Wait, can you give me another rocket?
Don't use it yet. Come. Oh my god.
Yeah, stop rolling away.
Okay, come. Do not use it yet. Just come. Okay, bro. Gotta get her. Oh wait. Ah. Come on, come on.
Nah, you know what I have to do? I have to unlock rifle, and I'll use my rocket.
No, don't.
Wait, why is my rocket black? Why can't I like use it?
Come. You can use it. You're just.
Is this supposed to be black?
Yes, it's just that you're clicking the wrong button.
There he is.
Hold up, bro. Killed him. Maybe I killed-
Revolver.
No, that's not yours. That's mine. I use
No,
mine.
then where's my backpack?
Yours is over there.
Oh yes, crate.
Yo, did you just snatch that thing out of my hands?
I know, cause you were gonna get it. Heck no, I'm rocketing away, gang.
Bro, open it, bro. Open it because he's gonna respawn. Shotgun ammo, okay. But this is your backpack? Yeah, your stuff's still in here. There.
Give me my revolver. Wait, is
It's in the backpack.
everything
It's in
there?
the backpack. Here, this is yours. Use this to hit. Look, use this to hit, okay? Use this to do that.
Give me.
Okay.
Can I, bro?
I was just showing you. Grab it. Yo, I almost got blind. What's in here?
Alright, let's mine.
I don't have anything to mine, so you're gonna have to. You want me to do it? Because I do it fast. We need rubber ducky. Bro, sorry, hold up, bro. If I like go, bro. Yo, how are you doing damage while dead? Yo, he just on me, bro. Go. Sebby, come up here. Come. Shh. I don't have anything to hit him with. Will he get out of my way? Oh, no. I'll get your stuff for you, okay? Do you know the way back? Bro, I got your stuff for you. Can you like stop pumping me, please? Can you like actually stop pumping me? Sebby, Sebby. Sebastian. 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 Sebastian.
Hey.
I got you your stuff. Can I use your revolver because that guy's gonna kill us?
Why can't I use it?
Because you're gonna die with it. Did you see how much I had to suffer while he was humping me?
Bro, I can't even open it.
Click B. Click B. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna use your gun, okay?
No, give me my revolver.
Yo, my headset's low, bro. I'm gonna go
No,
back,
it's
okay?
not.
Bro, I'm gonna go back, okay?
You know how I know your headset's not low?
It is.
But you just said that you were at 75%.
Yes, bro. My headset. It's a Quest 3, bro. It's a Quest 3. It's gonna use the battery in like 5 minutes.
I know. Mine is also a Quest 3.
I'm not lying, bro. I'm gonna go back because I'm not trying to lose this lightsaber, okay? Okay, bro?
Okay.
Do you wanna come back?
Hold on.
Here. I'll put your stuff in there for you. Give me it so I can put it in. Give me it so I can put it in. Okay, bro, here. Since you don't want to listen, I'm gonna go back, okay?
Okay.
Here, take this flashlight. You're gonna need it. Bro, when you die, it's not my fault, okay?
Okay.
Put the watch to your mouth so you can talk to me. Okay, bro? Hello? Bro, hello? Yo, I guess I have to go. Did you go through the elevator? I'm coming. Oh my god. Yo guys, if you guys really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. That'll make my dreams come true. Oh my god. Savvy, did you go through the yellow thing? Hello? Sebastian. Sebastian. I'm coming, bro. Where'd you die? Bro, where's your ghost? Yo, what just happened? Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day and a blessed day. Peace out.